Morning, Thank you, thank you. Fresno City Council member Brandon Vang. I represent District 5 in the city of Fresno, which is Southeast Fresno. Also, the location of the largest Hmong New Year in the United States, the Fresno Fairground. Next to me is my lovely wife. We are honored to be here today with the Hmong community here in the city of Long Beach to celebrate the Hmong New Year here in the city of Long Beach. Share the Guishan the Naya Kutunye. Nuna Ujong Shekango, Tunda Petikine Chamonia Holuja, Long Beach na Pipelu Pachepetio. Uchoto Hmong Association of Long Beach. Tia Patan, Tia Lombatan, Tetanta. Organization Committee giờ ư tôi hỏi ở bên lò lụt cho bên này chặt xí để cái tiêu biểu nó thì chỉ theo nhung xe tan thọ giải tỏa bên giờ cái tên chả mong theo bên giờ cái tên chả mi cả thì chỉ tôi cùng bên giờ cái này cái chả mong nhau hồ lu rộng nọ thì bên lu bắt cho bên chồng này hai tia và chào mỗi tụm mong City Council nhớ bên lu rộng Fresno tuần đó này Some 30 plus years ago, my family lived in the city of Long Beach. I attended Washington Junior High School as a Contel, and then on to Long Beach Poly as a Jackrabbit. It is an honor to come back to the city that helped shape me, that pushed me, and encouraged me to be the person who I am today. I owe so much to the city of Long Beach, to its residents, in particular to Long Beach Unified School District. It's shaping me to be the person who I am today. So thank you. I'm honored to be back to my old stomping ground in the 1980s called the city of Long Beach. We are here today to celebrate our annual Hmong New Year. It has been 50 years since we arrived in the United States of America as refugees. Some 46 years ago, my family landed at Los Angeles International Airport, and I was then a 6-year-old refugee boy who spoke zero word of English. But with the opportunity provided by the greatest country in the world, the United States, this refugee boy applied himself, studied, went to UCLA, got married, and ran for political office. This is my American dream, and for 50 years, we have struggled. But for 50 years, each one of us have our own unique American dream to chase and to achieve. And we will continue to chase our own American dreams. We will continue to provide opportunities for our kids and grandkids to chase their American dreams. Let it not be my generation, let it not be 50 years, but let's look forward for the next 50 years. Bây giờ cái tình quý cho lô bát ta chúng sẽ nhiệm bị là hai cho bé cho bà bà là bé cân cừu khẩn cầu cho bé lưu xe luôn chữ yên giờ bé yêu vấn đề bé tổ chức kế cho bé chỉ tổ chức ta hay tiệt bé mong cái nó cái hậu bé mong yêu mà hai chỉ lưu xe luôn chữ bé mong cái lịch cái trái cho lịch trái thế ta chỉ chọn chọn hay tiệt bé tua thế chuyện nó tổ chức cho xong lại ấy giờ chỉ cho xong tận đây đó bây giờ mình tự mình nhua bây giờ sẽ lên sân sự yuan chia sẻ bây giờ cho lịch trả cho nên là phần thứ hai thì bây lúc sáng thì cho bây xin yuan sư bây giờ bây lúc chết bây giờ mình thiệt bọn thiệt sẻ bây nu hai tiệt qua có lúc bây huli trả có lúc sáng huli trả ấy giờ cú lúc sáng chơi bây giờ cô giờ mua thế ta chỉ giờ lúc sáng sợ là chơi cái ấy tu hùa 来顿菜路的，被婆婆倒。你努还地被路生嘅被，我再给变天涯人就无。The time to put that to work is 2020 our New Year celebration. Another reminder of who we are. Ya pem lo pe chalana pun jalu tia pe chính dân nhân bị jalu nu no je. Chi je trong tận na je pe ta pa chi chi tia na, and it starts with our generation. My generation to my kids' generation to use our last name as a way to get to marry, to combine, create families together. Everything else is secondary when it comes to our last name. And I have walked a path that truly represents that. Takula kena kechu as a school board member for a local school district in Fresno County. The greatest support that I had back then was from my community, the Hmong population, the Hmong community. And again, earlier this year, when I ran for Fresno City Council, my greatest supporters were from the Hmong community. And so we have demonstrated that we can support each other and we all can be successful with one another. But that's not enough. Let's continue to provide that support. And so 50 years from now, when we look at our last name, it is a last name that just represents who you are as a member of the Hmong community. And so I want to say thank you to the Hmong Association of Long Beach for inviting me here. It is an honor for me to be back here. I know the weather is a little bit foggy and cold, but I can tell you in my heart, this is a great opportunity for someone who was shaped by the city of Long Beach to return to this city, the city that has provided me so much. And the least I can do is to come back and to welcome and open the Hmong New Year celebration here in the city of Fresno. Na kanya rong trâu tan thọ này trên này cho chỉ xong lô ta trong chết tua lời cả tân tây nó pe wala cả là tao cả cái kinh nghiệm thực chia là cả pe lu hu hu chỉ cho cái gì thia. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and thank you very much, and God bless you, and God bless this great country of ours. Thank you very much. Before I go, I'd like to invite President of Hmong Association of Long Beach, Vang, and Vice President of Hmong Association of Long Beach, Nhia Thanh Yap. I have here a certificate of recognition from the City of Fresno Office of Council Member Brandon Vang for Valencian and the Hmong Association of Long Beach. This is recognizing you, your organization, your contribution to the Hmong of Long Beach, and your contribution to the Hmong community. Happy New Year.